Is your car's air conditioner no longer blowing cold air? What if we told you that you could recharge it yourself in just 5 minutes, without going to a mechanic? How, you ask? Let's take a look together. This video contains no sponsorships or advertisements. It's created purely for informational purposes. The product we used in this video, Climaset 3-in-1 R134A, and the cost. Including the hose with pressure gauge and adapter, the complete set came to just around €50. Inside this small box, you get refrigerant gas, system oil, and a leak sealing additive. So you're not only refilling your AC, you're also giving it a bit of maintenance. The XL size can contains a special 170-gram formula, which is equivalent to 470 grams of R134A gas. No need to buy any extra tools. The hose with gauge and the adapter come included in the box. Plus, thanks to its reverse thread design, any unused gas stays safely stored and can be reused later. Nothing goes to waste. Besides Climaset, other brands like Easy Klima, AC2Go, and Fix Klima also offer similar products. And through websites like easyklima.com, you can easily find out the correct gas type for your vehicle, the location of the low-pressure LP refill port, and how much refrigerant your system actually needs. Easy, fast, and safe. Refilling your car's AC takes just 5 minutes. This product doesn't just cool, it also lubricates internal components, protects seals, and improves leak resistance. It's also compatible with Easy Klima and AC2Go hoses. An ideal solution designed for long-lasting use and top performance. For your safety, it's highly recommended to wear protective gear, such as goggles, gloves, and a mask, while performing this procedure. Now let's get hands-on. If you're ready, let's begin. Start the engine. Set the AC to the lowest temperature and the fan to the highest setting. Open the hood and look for the low-pressure LP service port. It's usually marked with an L and often has a black or blue cap. Before attaching the hose to the can, double-check that the needle is pulled all the way back. This prevents premature puncturing. Once that's done, screw the hose securely onto the gas can. Attach the hose to the LP connection port. Once you're sure it's securely and properly connected, turn the gas can upside down. Tighten the valve about 8 times, or until gas starts to flow. Once the gas begins to escape, the process is complete. Note, if you fully tighten the valve, the system will shut down. Terminate the process when the pressure gauge reaches 40 psi. Avoid entering the red zone. If it does, consult a specialist immediately. Turn the valve counterclockwise to release the needle, then detach the hose. That's it. Your AC is now ready for use. The advantages of all-season air conditioning. Your air conditioner isn't just for summer, it's useful all year round. Spring filters out pollen and allergens, ensuring a fresh and comfortable ride. Summer keeps the cabin cool even in extreme heat. Autumn prevents window fogging, improving visibility. Winter quickly defrosts icy windows, enhancing driving safety. Frequently asked questions. Is our 134A gas suitable for my vehicle? If your car was manufactured between 1994 and 2016, most likely yes. However, it's best to check your vehicle's manual to be sure. How many cans are needed for a recharge? One can contains 470 grams of refrigerant. The exact amount required depends on your vehicle's specifications. Check the label, usually located under the hood. Do I need an adapter? If your car only has an HP high pressure port, you'll need an HPLP high to low pressure adapter. If it has an LP low pressure port, no additional adapter is needed. How often does my AC need servicing? It's generally recommended to have your AC checked every 1 to 2 years. If cooling performance drops, a recharge may be required. Keep your car's AC running efficiently. Enjoy comfortable drives. If you'd like to see more informative videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button. At Find the Light, our mission is simple: to move knowledge from point A to point B. On this journey, your likes are like the refreshing breeze of an AC. They cool us down and keep us energized. With your support, we'll continue delivering even better content. Safe and pleasant travels. Let's shape this journey of knowledge together. What topics interest you? Meet us in the comments.